LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the video you're about to watch is our default installation guide for your laptop part. We're working diligently to create a custom video installation guide for your exact laptop model. Until production has been completed for your exact laptop model, please watch our general installation guide, which will provide valuable information to help you install your new laptop part. Turn the laptop over. Remove the screw. Remove the cover. Remove the RAM card. Place the memory sticks back in place. Place the screws back in. That's all. You just installed new laptop memory. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.